Hello. So we are on tray 16 officially. I've already got them in. I'm trying something different today. I brushed my teeth last night and I was a little tired and lazy. And I did not want to make a video right then and there. And I was like, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to put my trays in, which I did. And as always, the top one was a little bit more harder than the bottom one. And it wasn't as difficult going in as some of the prior trays, but it still was a bit of a nuisance. But hey, we're here now, we got over it, and the morning after it feels a little bit better versus how it felt at night, but hey, I slept through it, so that was a good thing. I'm again feeling more confident about my smile, and just need to start working on some of the other stuff that I need to address and go through. And as far as tips, there really aren't any others other than, since we're nearing the end of the treatment, then to just brush your teeth and floss, make sure they're clean, make sure you're avoiding sugars, because sugar is really going to start rotting out your teeth and your life. So stop drinking, eating, smoking sugar. I don't know who smokes sugar, but stop it. So as far as the future plans with the teeth, once my treatment is over, I do have a follow-up with my dentist. We might have to shave a little bit of the tooth down in the front. This one in particular, because as I mentioned, it's like coming in at an angle like this now. So they're gonna go ahead and just make it even. I can't even, but can you odd? Other than that, I mean, everything has been going great. I hope everybody has a great New Year's Eve. And sorry, my dog wanted to see his tail. Christmas, New Year's Eve, and great New Year's as always. Like, make sure to be kind to yourself, focus on your own goals, and if somebody is or something is bothering you, just let them talk, let them do what they need to do, and you focus on yourself. As someone who is working on themselves and getting through depression and just like refiguring life out, the best thing you can do is be patient with yourself, work on yourself, be kind to yourself. You are enough, more than enough. I mean, because the thing is, the takers, they don't know when to stop taking, and as a giver, we don't know when to stop giving. So boundaries are super important, so that's another video for another time, which I am going to be delving in a lot into some of the mental health aspect of life, because I feel like that's really shrouded in like a sense of nastiness. Like, I can't find the word in my mind just right then and there, but there's like a veil of like embarrassment around mental health, which it shouldn't be, because we are chemical machines in a sense, and once any type of chemical is off, either you're gonna figure out how to take care of it on your own, or you're gonna need prescription help, or whatever needs to be done. You are in control to do it. If you need to cut off those toxic people, do so. You'll feel so much better. If you need to be mean to yourself in the mirror and just be like, hey, I'm lazy, I need to get up and do so. For me, even though there's a lot of other stuff like ADHD and depression and a lot of other things that play, like, I still kind of tell myself at times that I'm being lazy, because I can tell when I'm having a bad day because of depression, and when I'm actually just like, I don't feel like doing shit just because I am gonna be lazy today. And it's okay to have lazy days, just don't get stuck in those patterns, because being complacent and being comfortable is going to kill your growth. You have to be uncomfortable. You have to suffer and go through the pain to really start your metamorphosis. And that's what I'm going through right now. I am doing things that are a little uncomfortable for me, whether it be going out, whether it be treating myself, or whatever the case may be. But I need to put myself out there. I need to do that so I can get out of the hole that whatever circumstances have put me in, whatever things have landed me here. How do I move forward from here, right? So the best thing you could do is just be patient with yourself, give yourself time, give yourself love and care. Self-care is super important. I always talk about that. That's the whole reason why I got Invisalign, was because I wanted to have a better smile. I wanted to be confident about it, and because of that, I have a better health, oral health, a better oral hygiene. And I'm super happy about that. That I look forward to, like, every time I eat, I'm just like, oh, I can't wait to brush my teeth, because I'm like, oh, there's some shit stuck in, or not literal shit, but like, a piece of chicken and popcorn. I don't even like popcorn, but whatever, it's stuck in my teeth, so I gotta get it out, So just be kind to yourself, man, or women, and anything in between. Like, you deserve it. The world, no one will come to save you but yourself. You can have amazing parents, you can have an amazing support network, which is super important, but at the end of the day, you have to put in that work. And it took me a while, like about a year and a half total, to kind of really realize that I am enough, I am empowered, I am handsome, I'm beautiful, like, I am a great person. And I love that I need to be positive and put love and positivity out in the world, instead of like, hey, I'm having a bad day, everything sucks, all humanity is shit. Like, which some humanity is shit, but it's okay. You can take the good with the bad, and then you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. But I am getting a phone call. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this short, and I hope I will see y'all next year. More workout videos, or starting workout videos and all that stuff. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you have a great New Year's, and love you guys. Be safe. Okay, bye.